So, I made a post on my WhatsApp channel about getting monetized in less than 48 hours with one video, and today, I'm finally going to show you proof and also show you exactly how I did it so you can try it too. Now, I'm not saying you'll hit monetization your first day like I did, and I'm not saying it's not possible. You know, I've run a lot of channels, so I've lots of experience. But if you're a beginner and willing to put in some effort, I'm confident you can grow faster than you think. The reason is, this niche has tons of audience, and also very low competition, which is good for beginners. You can even check it yourself. Let's get started. All right, let me show you real numbers. I'm on my channel dashboard right now, and you can see I've over 1,000 subscribers, even though I haven't uploaded in more than a month. You can see I uploaded this video 33 days ago. In the last 28 days, I've had only 70 new subscribers, 109 views, about 3 hours of watch time, and I've earned 0.43. That's because I've not uploaded any other video yet. Yeah, I was away in South Africa for a short course, that's why. If we click on content, you can see I only have one video uploaded, and a proof this channel is monetized. You see the monetization sign here, and it's on. If you check here, you'll see this video was uploaded just last month. The craziest thing is I didn't promote the video with ads. Let me show you. You can see YouTube was actually promoting this video. Let me show you it's not a fake stats. If I hover my mouse on the info icon, you can see it says traffic from the home page or home screen, the subscription feed, and other browsing features. And if we check this too, it says views from suggestions appearing alongside or after other videos. You can also check the stats here. These are raw stats, not edited. I'm not showing this to flex or something. I just want you to know it's possible, and you can also start something. Here's the thing, you can do this too. So I'm going to reverse engineer everything I know about this niche for free. But there's one secret trick in this video that most people miss. And if you skip it, you might waste years figuring this out on your own. So the first step is to find the topic. And this is the hardest part of it all, bro. If you can spend time to find the right topic, you'll have a higher chance of getting the views you want. Let me show you the trick I used. This was the channel that inspired me. Just check how much this guy's making every month. Imagine 10 monetized channels on this particular niche, bro. Here you can see this video alone has over 9 million views in just 1 month. That's crazy. And the video is still getting 1.6K views every hour. You can make another version of this video without copying the exact topic, but just the idea. Just grab it from here, give it to ChatGPT to give you a similar style, and you'll get something like this. If we compare, you'll see it's the same style. That's how I got this topic here. Now we need to ask it to give us their names and age in that particular year. So let's say we're going with this topic here. I'll just enter something like, now, give me the names and their ages in 2025 for this topic. Next, copy and paste the topic you picked here and hit enter. If you get something like this, just ask it to proceed, and it'll give you the full list. It's simple and nothing complicated. Next is finding the visuals. I mean, they're images and videos, but for me, I didn't use videos, so I'm not gonna ask you to use videos. Yeah, let's keep things simple. All right, so we're gonna copy our first name from here and search it on Google. Now, since we want old photos and current photos, we need to add the year. For instance, I'll add the year 2000, find one of his old images, and then save it. Now, I'll change the year to 2025, and then find one of his current images and save that one too. It's simple. Just repeat it for all the names you got, and let's move to the final step. But before that, kindly show me some love by liking the video and clicking the subscribe button, bro. You know, I try my best to find you what working on this platform, so that thing can be easy for you. Now, the final step. We're going to use CapCut for this since most of you are familiar with it, and we have lots of females also watching. And don't worry, we're not going to use premium features here. You can also follow this with your phone if you don't have a laptop. First, import all the files. Next, we need to create a voiceover, and we're going to do that by clicking on text. Then enter the name and age, something like this. Now click on text to speech, choose any free voice from here, then click on generate speech. You'll have something like this. You can also generate voiceover from your preferred AI tool and import it. I just want to keep things simple for the women, that's why. Don't get me wrong, guys. Now we can change the text into something like this. Choose the color you like and adjust it how you want it. Extend it to match the length of the voiceover like this. Next, animate the text to make it more engaging. Now add the old photo to the timeline. Let's adjust it to cover half of the screen. If you can't find the center, just use a plus sign like this. Now let's add the current one on top of it and adjust it. Add a simple animation to both images and trim it to match the voiceover and the text. Now, if we play it, we're going to get something like this. But you realize the texts aren't visible. Let's add a background to it. This one looks better now. It's a simple niche, bro. You just have to repeat these same steps to all the names you got. To speed things up, just select all the files in the timeline except the voiceover. Make sure your playhead, which is this bar, is placed in front of the files, and then copy and paste it like this. Next, you just have to change the text to the next actor on the list. Click on text to speech, then generate the voiceover. After that, delete this text right here, copy and paste the other text, then just change the name and the age. For the images, you just have to drag and drop the images of the next character to the existing one on the timeline, like this. Click Replace Clip, and you can see we have the new image here. Let's do the same to the other image. This way, you won't have to spend time doing the animation again. Just adjust it and repeat it for the rest. Once everything is set, just add a background sound, and that's all. Very simple niche, and no excuses this time, because you can start while watching this video. Now, I'm going to share a secret with you guys. In fact, this is something that's happening to new channels. Check this. This is a new channel that I'm trying to see how it works, so I can show you guys how you can also replicate it. You don't have to miss this, bro. Just subscribe. Now, check something here. You can see the video didn't get any view for the first 4 hours. Let's go to reach. You can see it got only 15 impressions. So 15 impressions, no clicks. And bro, if you're not getting views with these little impressions, there's a higher chance the video would be buried by the algorithm. So here's what I always do, and I'll show you the result of this trick. Just relax. First, I make sure I use the right keywords. This will make YouTube show my videos to the right audience, so they won't skip my video for another. Let me show you how. First, open vidIQ here and make sure you've logged in. You can use it for free, so don't worry. Now, hover your mouse on Discover and click on Keywords. Here, we need to enter a popular keyword of our niche. So let's enter then and now. You can see lots of keywords here, and these keywords are low competition keywords, but have a higher search volume. This keyword has come down a bit, but still getting not less than 700,000 views per hour. If you click on any of these keywords, vidIQ will show you how that particular keyword is performing, and show you other keywords as well. You can also find trending videos of these keywords. You can see this video alone has over 3 million views in just 7 days, which is crazy. So you see why my channel blew up with just one video? This niche has lots of audience, bro. Alright, to get the views you want, your video needs to get small views from the few impressions YouTube gives you when starting a new channel. And for this, you'll need a good title and thumbnail. But before that, the first thing you need to do is to optimize your video. Yeah, not just for SEO, but you need to use the proper keywords in your descriptions to tell YouTube who your audience are. Otherwise, the algorithm will push your video to those who enjoy cooking videos. This is something no one will tell you. So how do you do this? Just grab all these keywords, add our video title, and then give it to ChatGPT to write you an SEO description to help the YouTube algorithm know who our audience are. This is the prompt that I use. You can modify it only if you know what you're doing, or just paste your keyword you copied here and enter your topic. Once done with the description, you'll need to focus on the thumbnail. Nothing complicated. Just have to make people curious so they click on it. So, one fine image and another surprising image. Just like this one here. I have a lot to share on this topic. So if you're interested, just like the video and subscribe. This is the only way to tell me you're ready to learn. You see, the goal of this channel is to help new creators become successful. So if this is something you're interested in, then kindly subscribe to the channel. I have a YouTube automation playlist here. Make sure to check on it. It will guide you to discover easy niches that you can start right now. See you in the next one.